eBay just stole the mic on e-commerce news with a huge announcement. They put it this way, quote, 10 ways eBay is creating a more personalized shopping experience, and it leverages AI, also known as artificial intelligence. eBay is now using AI to create a plush shopping experience for its customers. Now, here are the big highlights. First of all, shoppers without eBay accounts can go look at recently viewed items, even though they don't have an account yet. Users can sign in using Facebook or Google. eBay shoppers can share trending items via social media with other people online. eBay shoppers can use a camera where they take a picture of an item and it uploads it and it finds that item on the eBay platform, as well as finding just a random picture, uploading the picture to find items. Does that remind anyone of Amazon's Amazon Seller app? eBay will tailor sales now based on your history. So if you tend to buy higher end items, they're going to recommend those kinds of products. And if you tend to buy more basic consumer items, they're going to recommend those kinds of products. eBay will give each customer their own personalized homepage, and their machine learning AI is going to even offer coupons and deals for what they call a customized coupon experience. Here's the big part. Based on what you're doing on eBay as a shopper, eBay is now going to customize it for you to help you. Now, I took this article and I shared it with a group of over 100,000 people in one of our Facebook groups. And two of the first responses were, number one, eBay quit caring about us sellers long ago. And number two, eBay is not a smart business. They have proven repeatedly that they don't care about small sellers. That is a mindset issue. If you don't care about a small seller, maybe the real issue is the person has a small seller mindset. Now, it's true, eBay and Amazon both have done some things that are extremely frustrating to those on the selling platform. But my biggest question for you today is, why aren't you selling on eBay? It is literally sitting there waiting for you to make money. Just to give you an example, Joe Giacone, one of the speakers at Ecom, who does over $20 million a year in Amazon, here are off of eBay, not Amazon. And he told me, he said, Seth, if I wasn't selling on eBay, I would be missing out on a market. It's not like eBay or Amazon's going to cannibalize those sales. Some people will never buy your product on Amazon, but they will buy it on eBay because it is a different kind of customer. People buying on Amazon are looking for products based on reviews and based on the fact that they can find almost anything on Amazon. People who go to eBay have a mindset of, I used to go there for bids or to find a deal, but now I'm realizing the platform has grown so much. There are there's over 1 billion products, on eBay. So it's its own marketplace. Is there an overlap with Amazon? Absolutely there is. But there are some people who will never find you if your product isn't on eBay as well. It's a whole another customer segment. And because eBay is raising the bar, so should you be. If they're raising the bar on the customer, that means more sales for you. Here's the biggest complaint I'm seeing. This is going to steal customers from Amazon. And I say bring it. The fact that eBay is upping their game means Amazon has to stay on their toes. In fact, 1/3 of all online sales begin with someone searching through Amazon or eBay to find the product they need. So my question to you again is, why aren't you selling on eBay? That's my 10 cents.